Prepare to find out some of the most effective and revolutionary self-defense weapons on the market today. In this video, we're going to be examining 12 deadly weapons that don't require bullets, which you can all find on Amazon. From tactical knives to high-voltage stun devices, these options demonstrate that protection and power are not always in the shape of guns. Whether it is for survival, security, or being ready, they are made to protect you in times of the unexpected. Number 1. Air Force Texan. Air Force Texan is a heavy-duty pre-charged pneumatic single-shot side-lever airgun for hunting large game and long-range airgunning. With a 34-inch barrel, 490 cubic centimeters tank, and 3,000 pound force per square inch max fill, it provides adjustable power and reliable performance. The rifle has an 11mm dovetail, extended optics rail, 2-stage trigger adjustable for position, 2.06 pound pull, automatic safety, and textured grip. It weighs 7.65 pounds, no scope and mount, with a 13.875 to 15-inch length of pull and a rotatable butt plate for cast adjustment. Made in USA. Price at $1,039.95. Suitable for experienced shooters only, it requires careful handling, proper training, and strict legal compliance. Number 2. Umarair Air Javelin Pro. Umarair Air Javelin Pro is PCP-powered arrow rifle designed with compact power and precision. Firing 170 grams. Umarair's Air Javelin arrows at 370 frames per second, it launches approximately 52 feet-pound of energy through a 7.4 cubic inch, 121.3 cubic centimeters, onboard tank regulated at 1,500 pounds per square inch. The system provides approximately 25 effective shots per fill and refills in about 7 minutes using the Ready Air compressor. Ergonomic touches are an ambidextrous bolt, manual push-button safety, 6.25 pound single-stage trigger, adjustable polymer stock, integrated Picatinny rail and MLOK slots, and sling attachment and accessory ready for field utility. Length, 31 to 34.25 inches. Price at $319.99. Number 3. Traditions Crankshot XBR. Traditions Crackshot XBR combines a .22 caliber single-shot crackshot rifle with a swap-on XBR upper that transforms the platform to shoot arrows, making it an innovative and compact hunting platform. The crackshot comes with a 16.5-inch barrel, but the XBR upper offers a 20-inch barrel and an inner guide that accepts Traditions firebolt arrows. To operate, slide a hollow firebolt over the inner tube, insert an XBR power load, shut the action, cock the hammer, and shoot. Firebolts achieve approximately 385 frames per second. The system is quiet, low recoil, effective to approximately 70 yards, light, compact, and easy to carry. Always check for local regulations. Here's number 4. Umarex Hammer. Umarex Hammer is a .50 caliber PCP big game hunting rifle that packs powderless big game power. With its 24 cubic inch carbon fiber tank and ideal fill at 4,500 pounds per square inch, every shot is controlled to 3,000 pound per square inch, yielding 3 full power shots plus an almost full fourth. Straight pull speed bolt takes approximately 8 pounds to cock, loaded from a detachable 2-round magazine to allow safe unloading. Safety features 3 mechanical devices and a 2.5 pound trigger. Features integrated manometer, Picatinny rail, M-lock slots, mag pull style grip, Walther 1-24 twist barrel, Foster quick disconnect fill, and simple degassing. Assembled and inspected in the USA, price at $1,099.99. Ideal for experienced hunters who want maximum reliability. Number 5. Benjamin Bulldog. The Benjamin Bulldog is a new .357 PCP bullpup air rifle designed for increased power and short handling. It propels pellets to approximately 1,135 frames per second and releases up to about 300 foot-pounds of energy, considerably more than the first model. Its 36-inch bullpup configuration and tough synthetic stock simplify carrying in the field, with a 5-shot magazine allowing for quick follow-up shots, up to 5 on each fill. A Picatinny rail, 26 inches in length, accommodates scopes, and the baffleless sound trap shroud produces reports very quietly. A pressure gauge to 3,000 pounds per square inch and straightforward controls complete a do-it-all big game air gun. Available. Price at $999.90. Number 6. Benjamin Pioneer. The Benjamin Pioneer Airbow is a game-changing hybrid that combines PCP airgun technology with crossbow capability and provides unparalleled speed, accuracy, and hunting capability. Powered by compressed air, it shoots 100% carbon fiber arrows with mind-boggling velocity and accuracy, providing hunters with a reliable and contemporary option. The Airbow 450 kit consists of 3 custom 375 grain field point-tipped arrows, hand-fletched helical vanes for improved stabilization, a 6x40mm scope, and top-of-the-line accessories. It can accommodate standard broadheads, making it highly versatile in the field. Small, strong, and simple to operate, the Pioneer Airbow is an actual game breaker for dedicated hunters. Price at $699.90. Number 7. Umarex Air Saberolite X2. The Umarex Air Saber Elite X2 is a revolutionary double-barrel arrow rifle designed for power, velocity, and hunting versatility. With a 4,000 pound per square inch fill, it shoots 376 grain arrows at more than 450 frames per second, delivering 135 plus feet-pound of energy for ethical big game hunting. Its 240 cubic centimeters onboard tank, smooth side cocking lever, and easy thumb barrel switch guarantee consistent performance and quick follow-up shots. With a hard-wearing green all-weather polymer stock that measures 14.5 inches of pull, it also has 3 Picatinny rail sections on the forend for attachments and a top rail for scopes. Durable and accurate, the Air Saber Elite X2 has outstanding field performance. Price at $399.99. Number 8. Seneca Dragon Claw. Seneca Dragon Claw 2 brings high-bore airguns to hunting-capable power. This 50 caliber PCP puts out to 860 feet per second and about 340 feet-pound of energy, effective on deer, hogs, javelina, and comparable game. 2 large oversized air tanks maintain a 500 cubic centimeter capacity and multiple high-power shots per fill of 3,000 pounds per second using a quick disconnect fitting. The platform charges rifled air bolts and 430 grain-lead rounds. Bolts can push past 600 frames per second for brutal, accurate strikes. Designed for ruggedness and field performance, the Dragon Claw 2 packages raw velocity, repeatable power, and shooter-friendly design into the fastest, most powerful big game air rifles. Number 9. Hatsan Harpoon. The Hatsan Harpoon is a bullpup-configured PCP crossbow that combines tactical options with advanced power and lightweight handling. A 20-inch barrel and reinforced polymer stock with built-in pistol grip make it robust and agile. Its patented side lever action and gas piston hammer derive power from a 500 cubic centimeter aluminum air bottle, charged to 250 bar, delivering up to 600 frame per second and approximately 330 feet-pound of energy. The 2-arrow magazine and reliable system provide about 10 best velocity shots per fill. Comfort features an adjustable cheek rest and soft rubberized butt pad, whereas long optics rails will accommodate both 11mm and Picatinny mounts for serious hunters. Number 10. FX Impact. FX Impact M3 revolutionizes modern airguns with unmatched accuracy, modularity, and power. 2 regulators and power plenum, 720, 72 cubic centimeters, ensure consistent output and optimal energy transfer. And the Quick Tune system provides tool-free micro and macro adjustments of regulator pressure, valve timing, and a 16-step rear power wheel for 1 to 2 frame per second adjustment. Upgrades consist of an ambidextrous short throw cocking lever, tighter tolerances on the barrel and breech, double transfer ports, side shot magazine compatibility, a better trigger, 20 MOA scope rail, and dual Weka manometers. Built tough, super tunable, and brutally accurate, the Impact M3 raises the standard in precision PCP performance among serious precision shooters. Number 11. Umarex Gauntlet SL. Umarex Gauntlet SL is a high-performance .22 caliber pre-charged pneumatically powered rifle designed for small game hunting and target shooting. Propelling pellets at approximately 1,075 frames per second and about 33 feet-pound, its 393 cubic centimeter cylinder and 4,500 pounds per square working pressure provide up to 70 shots on a single fill. A 28.25-inch rifled barrel, 10-shot magazine and side lever action give it a smooth, quick repeater, and on-the-fly power adjustment allows shooters to customize performance. Synthetic ambidextrous stock, rubber butt pad, and shrouded barrel minimize recoil and sound. Weaver and 11mm dovetails make it scope-ready. Gauntlet SL finds balance in accuracy, capacity, and price at $439.99 today. Serious shooters only. Number 12. AOA Bushbuck. The AOA Bushbuck is a strong pre-compressed pneumatic PCP bolt-action rifle designed for high-power hunting. Chambered in .452 caliber, it generates more than 800 lb/f of muzzle energy and features a 285 cubic centimeters air reservoir, no regulator. The single-shot action floats on a 760mm barrel in a 1,250mm overall length, while a 22mm Picatinny Chash Weaver rail allows for optics. With a weight of 4,650 grams, the Bushbuck achieves stability with carryability. The muzzle is not threaded, but accessories have adapters. Perfect for serious use in the field, it combines naked power with simple reliability. Price at $3,050. Its ambi-friendly controls and ergonomic stock contribute to shooter comfort during long sessions. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like it and subscribe for more gear deep dives. Remember, owning non-bullet weapons is serious business, and subject to legal restrictions, always research local laws and obtain proper training. Comment: which item surprised you? Share with your friends, and ring the bell so you won't miss our next video.